And we saw a nice soaking of rain on our Goodwill Auto Auction camera time lapse earlier today. Right now it's just cloudy. We're starting to dry the roads out a bit, and that trend will continue. But first, we did pick up around 1.4 inches of rain there from our weather checker, Barbara Richards in Kettering. Jamestown just around an inch, as well as through Brookville. Dayton just over 1¼ of an inch. So for the month, we are now in a surplus of just about 1.9 inches of rain. But for the year, we're still down just over 1½ inches. So we could still use a little bit of rain to catch up. But for now, those northern counties did pick up the most rain. As you could see, almost 2 inches of rain, likely through Mercer County, Auglaize County, portions of Shelby County, Bellefontaine picking up over 2 inches of rain from this system. And so there is a flood warning that is in place for the Great Miami River through Sidney. That's going to be until 6 p.m. on Monday. The river will likely crest just barely above that minor flood stage, which is at 10 feet. So there may be some very minor flooding, but overall it should stay at those lower levels with very minimal impacts. But just be aware the Great Miami River throughout the region will be a little bit high, but it will stay in that action stage the rest of the way as the water travels to the south. On Live Doppler 2 HD right now, we're clearing things out. No rain across the Miami Valley. We're behind a cold front now, and we have clearing skies up towards Chicago. That's going to be the trend overnight. We also have cooler temperatures. We're 12 degrees cooler than this same time yesterday in Dayton. And behind that front, it's still a little windy. We have the wind sustained out of the north at about 18 miles per hour. Our current temperature is 43 degrees, and we've got a wind chill back into the 30s. It feels like it's 35 degrees out there right now. Wind gusts across the region have been 30 miles per hour to 40 miles per hour at times, but overall we're starting to see the winds weaken a bit. That trend will continue through about 10 o'clock tonight. Then we'll really start to see the winds relax heading into tomorrow morning. You combine that with clearing skies, and this is why we do have that frost advisory in effect. Notice heading into Monday morning, still mostly clear conditions, a few clouds here or there. That will continue through lunchtime, staying dry. We can't rule out a very isolated shower Monday evening, but most of the Miami Valley, as you can see, stays dry. We'll see mostly cloudy skies throughout much of the night on Tuesday, hoping to limit our frost, but we'll see clearing conditions into early Tuesday morning. As far as tonight goes, frost is likely. 36 degrees your low in Dayton, 36 in Xenia. We could even see freezing conditions up to the north across Mercer County, possibly through Auglaize County and into Logan and Champaign County. That frost advisory is in place for all of the Miami Valley except for Warren and Clinton County. That's going to be between 2 a.m. and 8 a.m. through the morning. Here's a look at those temperatures for Dayton overnight. We'll fall into the 30s shortly after 2 a.m. and we'll stay there through about 7 a.m. But once the sun comes up, we'll get temperatures back around 40 degrees with some sunshine for the bus stop forecast. Here's a look at Tuesday, though. Wednesday, Thursday, yeah, a cooler weather pattern is here to stay, at least for the upcoming week. The next 10 days, we do look to see our highs below normal until maybe next Sunday, so about a week from today. Frost again likely on Wednesday with a low of 37 degrees, and then notice we slowly warm up into the end of the week with very little rain throughout the upcoming week.
Thank you, Con.